Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. More tourists are leaving cruise ships, increasing the likelihood of more spending in the local economy. Executive Director of Jamaica Vacations, JAMVAC, Joy Roberts, says the recently concluded winter tourist season saw less passengers staying on board vessels docked at various local ports. JAMVAC is the arm of the Tourism Ministry which oversees cruises.
We had a very good winter season too. We had 568,000 passengers, but what was even more amazing is that our disembarkation rates have gone from 50%, we're having 88 to 90% disembarking. People are coming off the ship, they're going to attractions. Sometimes they have a pre-booked tour, then they come back and they want to know what else can we do, and they jump on a bus and they're gone again. So it's been a very good season for us.
She says the ministry is looking into some factors which might have contributed to the increase.
We did some surveys and we found out that a lot of the passengers are younger. You know, you always associated maybe a 50 plus passenger with cruise, but a lot of them are younger, in their 30s, 40s, so they want to go and experience Jamaica. They want to experience what we do. They want to experience, they want to do smaller things, maybe not the larger attractions, but they want to eat, the gastronomy, some of them even doing sports. They want to bike, they want to play golf.
Some other news now. The Bank of Jamaica says more than 20 companies are testing various digital financial products in its technology sandbox. Deputy Governor of the BOJ, Natalie Haynes, says two main types of products are being tested.
We have 23 companies in the sandbox testing either prepaid cards and or mobile wallets. Those are the main products we have now in the sandbox. And the entrance into the sandbox are companies that are already regulated by Bank of Jamaica. And of course, FSC companies may come in with the permission of the FSC to test products.
The sandbox allows for testing of financial technology software before they're released to the public. Ms. Haynes says, however, not many independent financial technology firms are entering the sandbox.
What we're not seeing most of is the fintech companies who need to have partnership with DTIs to enter the sandbox. We're not seeing that at all. Maybe not being able to find a DTI to partner with, because most of the DTIs have their own innovative technology arm, so they come in by themselves.
Let's head to the foreign currency market now. The US dollar is being sold for an average $155.21. $114.31 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. The average cost of the pound is $192.92, while it's costing an average $166.06 for the euro. The JSE index lost 770 points today, while the junior market index declined by 22 points. Among the 49 winners were ISP Finance Services, JMB Group 5.75% US dollar shares, Eppley Caribbean Property Fund SCC, Express Catering and JMB Group 7.5% shares. Leading the 44 advances were Jamaica Public Service 7% shares, Jamaica Stock Exchange, Darramont Trading Company, Key Insurance Company and Palace Amusement. 11 stocks traded firm. And that's the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.